everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle and I'm a holistic nutritionist. Welcome to my kitchen. Today on my channel, I'm going to be sharing my #1 clean, lean eating hack. Now I've had friends, family, and clients tell me that this hack has been life-changing, and I've personally incorporated this hack into my daily life almost every single day. If you're insecure in the kitchen or you don't think you're the greatest chef, don't worry, this hack is super simple. You will be so surprised at how easy you can do this yourself. Now what I'm super excited about is I haven't heard any bloggers, YouTubers, or nutritionists talk about this little hack, so I'm super excited to share it with you. Let me back this up and tell you a little bit more about myself. So my brother actually got the thin gene. He's very lean, long, his metabolism is insane. Myself, I've had to work really hard because I do have more of an athletic type build to stay lean. That means being mindful of what I put in my body, training more, and being more cautious of my lifestyle habits. On top of this, I'm a huge foodie, as you can probably tell from my Instagram feed. I love food. I love to cook, I love to go out for dinners, drinks. I'm a huge proponent of a healthy, balanced lifestyle, and for me, that means also enjoying my food. Now, all this being said, as much as I am a foodie, I also love healthy food. With that, I love salad, and I love a good salad. Now, all salads are not created equal. If you're buying your salad from a fast food joint, this can set you back hundreds upon hundreds of unhealthy calories. I'm just gonna give you these next few examples to show my point. The Wendy's Baja salad, 740 calories, 48 grams of fat, and almost 2,000 milligrams of sodium. The Taco Bell Fiesta salad, 850 calories, 45 grams of fat, and 1,690 milligrams of sodium. This one was a little bit of a shocker. The Swiss Chalet grilled chicken salad, we're looking at 680 calories, 41 grams of fat, and over 1,500 milligrams of sodium. This all being said, I want to make a note here that I am not recommending counting calories. I do not count calories myself. I do not recommend my clients to count calories, and this can get very dangerous. I'm simply giving you these examples because I want to make the information more digestible for you. Now, what concerns me more about these fast food salads is not necessarily the high calorie count, because you can have very nutritious food that's super high in calories as well. My issue with them is the quality of calories that you're actually getting. They're very densely caloric, but you don't get that much nutrition out of them. So I think that's a very important point to make rather than calorie number. You want to look at more of the calorie quality. The fats that I was mentioning in these salads, it's not as much of a concern the number of fat, but more so the quality of good fats. Now, I have to admit, I'm a huge fan of fat. I love fat. I use fat in my daily life. I tell all my clients to use fat in their diet. Good fats help fuel our brain. 60% of our brain is made up of fat. Lubricating our joints, helping with digestion. It's great for our heart. It also keeps our skin youthful. So I'm a huge proponent of fat. I definitely want to get that out there and clear. Some good fats include avocados, hemp hearts, fatty fish, macadamia nuts, egg yolks. These are really, really good sources of fat. Now, I've had a lot of questions about the keto diet, which I'm gonna save for another video because I totally want to do a video just strictly about keto diet. I've been on the ketogenic diet before. It does work. I will tell you it does. I've had a lot of success with clients who needed to be put on the keto diet. It gave great results. The one thing I will say about the keto diet is that you have to do it properly. You have to make sure that your body is in ketosis, and you have to test whether your body is in ketosis. The best way to test is not the urine or the urine strip, it's through the blood. Now, if you're on the keto diet, you don't have to get your blood checked all the time, just a couple times to make sure you're on track. So my only issue with the keto diet is when it's not done properly. I've seen people who say they're on a keto diet, but they're not restricting their carbs low enough to have the benefits of being on the keto diet. So here is a way that, a high-fat diet can help you lose weight. And I will just add, if you aren't doing it properly and you are not restricting your carbs enough and you're having all that fat, so now you're having carbs and fat, that combination will make you gain weight. So I'd like to introduce my clean, lean eating hack, which are toppers. So how I came up with this hack, my husband as well as I, again, both have to keep on top of what we eat to keep up with our physiques. So I'm always looking to create recipes that are more on the cleaner, leaner side, especially during the week. Now, I still want to make sure that our meals are nutritionally dense and super nutritious, but again, I don't want them to be very heavy. Now you're probably wondering, what is a topper? Well, I like to use this name when I relay this information to family and friends. A topper means to me when I combine a certain number of healthy ingredients together, they release their own juices, liquid, water, and then I use that on a bed of greens, whether it's arugula, spinach, romaine lettuce, and it creates a dressing that is very creamy, rich, tasty. We're not again reducing fat so much, we're just having a lighter salad. The benefit of these toppers is that you can still have a delicious, yummy, nutritious salad, but keep it on the lighter side without having to add so much heaviness to it. Okay, so for my first topper recipe, I will be using avocado, a shallot, some garlic, basil, salt and pepper, lemon, and my secret ingredient, pickled ginger. Now, a lot of people don't use pickled ginger unless they're at a sushi spot, but pickled ginger actually adds quite a kick to recipes. I'd use it quite often, and it's also great for the digestive system, especially if you're having any kind of stomach upset. Now, I'll typically allow this to sit for a little bit. I like to throw a little bit of extra lemon on top. Then I like to cover it with my wax wrap. Yes, I will cover this baby and let it sit in the fridge for a little while. So I'll let that sit, I'll go do my thing. So now we have our salad. Now only mix the topper with the salad when you are ready to eat. So here you have it. You have a creamy, delicious salad. It has no dressings. I simply use the creaminess of the beautiful, rich fats from the avocado. No need to add excess. As you can see, a full avocado can beautifully coat a salad. So for my next topper recipe, this is actually one of my favorites, and it actually uses an interesting ingredient, pineapple. The pineapple releases some really sweet juices, so this really gives a sweetness to my salads. The other ingredients I'll be using are cucumber, onions, pepper, tomatoes, garlic, and cumin and Himalayan salt. So cumin gives it a little bit more of a warming feel. So let's get to it. Okay, so sometimes you might not have the time to wait for your topper to sit there. That's totally cool. That's not a big worry. You can eat it right away. It's still gonna have that juiciness to it. Okay, so here I have a bowl of spinach. I'm gonna get my topper from the fridge. Here it is. Now, this is a lot of toppers, so we don't actually have to eat all this. You don't have to use it all at one shot. So I will just put as much. And sometimes if I'm having a dinner party, it just looks nice on top like that without getting mixed in. But as you can see here, I'll just show you. Do you see all that juice? All that juice is enough to dress your salad. You don't need excess heavy dressings. So put it on there. And there you have it, a totally dressed salad without all the extra heaviness of a typical salad dressing. So there you have it, my #1 clean, lean eating hack. I hope you learned something new, and I'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel.